under her hood. Pulled over thinking I could do some good. Walked to her window on the driver's side with my Phillips head flashlight and needle nose pliers. Thought I could handle this little breakdown till the door opened up and she stepped out. Tears welling up in her pretty blue eyes. All I could say was, honey, please don't cry. I'm a mechanic, I can fix it. Roll up my sleeves and get with it. If it's tore up, broke down, bent, busted, burned out, or needs a little TLC, call on me. And don't panic, I'm a mechanic. 2 kids later, it's still her and me, stretching the rope of life to make ends meet. Paycheck to paycheck just don't get us by, so we both do a little something on the side. She does hair and I do brakes, and other tune-ups out back in the shade. Might be a few choice words from under the hood, but I'm her